English shorthand dictation speed 80 word per minute. Dictation start in 5 seconds. Start. India is the biggest democratic country in the world according to the census of 1982. Its population is more than 80 crores. The people of this great country are also great. That is why they choose a constitution for India which is unique in the world. India is a federation of states. The federal structure of the Indian constitution consists of states and union territories. The states are Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, मेघालय, मिजोरम, नागालैंड, उड़ीसा, पंजाब, राजस्थान, सिक्किम, तमिलनाडु, त्रिपुरा, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. The centrally administrated areas or union territories are Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Amini Devi, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry and Chandigarh. The distribution of powers between the center and states are defined in the constitution. The union territories are administered by the president in the interest of the security of the country. A unitary form of government has been set up with a strong center. That is why, under the Indian Constitution, the administration of any state can be taken over by the president if he is satisfied that the state constitution no state has the power to secede from the country. A planning commission has been set up for the proper development of the country. The financial year of the country starts on 1st April and ends on 31st March. The budget of the union government is presented by the finance minister on the various ministries of the central government is made for the new year. The budget session of parliament starts in February and continues up to May. The monsoon season is held in July, August and September, while the winter season is held in November and December. The budget season starts with the president's address to both houses of parliament in a joint session. The government business is done in the sittings of the houses on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The non-official business is done on Friday, in which the members move their resolutions, bills, etc. for the consideration of the government. No sitting is held generally on Saturday and Sunday unless some urgent legislative business is to be passed by either house of parliament. Stop.